Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a harder quadratic equation by completing the square. So these quadratics have a number before x squared. Okay, so first of all we're going to write it in completed square form. Okay, so if we have a number before x squared, what we need to do is just first of all put this left hand side into a single bracket. So it'd be 2 bracket, and then we just need to divide all these numbers here by 2. So that'll give us x squared plus 6x plus 3 equals 0. Okay, so we've divided the 2 by the 2, which is 1, 12 divided by 2, which is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then we can put this expression in the single bracket in completed square form. So to do that then, you half the number before x, the 6, so half of 6 is 3, so we put that there. Then we square that 3 and subtract it off the end, so 3 squared is 9, and then subtract it off the end, and then copy down that plus 3. And then we can work this bit out here. So we'll have 2 bracket x plus 3 bracket squared. Minus 9 add 3 is minus 6. And then what we can do then is remove the single bracket that we had at the start. So the 2 will go in front of the x plus 3 squared. And 2 times minus 6 is minus 12. And we've just put that into completed square form. Okay, and then once we're at this stage here, we can now do the inverses to find the value of x to 2 decimal places. So first of all, get rid of that minus 12 because that's furthest away from x, so we add 12 to both sides. So that will give us 2 bracket x plus 3 squared. 0 add 12 is 12. Then we can divide by this 2 here. So that will give us x plus 3 bracket squared equals 6. So the next inverse to do is get rid of the square by square rooting. So the square root is 6. And we need to put a positive and negative sign in front of the square root because we have 2 solutions. And then the final step is to subtract 3, and that will give us x equals, now it's best to put the minus 3 straight after the equals and copy the plus or minus root 6 there. So we just need to now work out our 2 answers. So we need a calculator now. So our first solution will be minus 3 take away root 6. So to 2 decimal places that is minus 5.45. And our second solution would be minus 3 plus root 6, which gives us minus 0.55. So those are our 2 solutions. So let's move on to our second example. So we've got to solve 3x squared minus 24x minus 12 equals 0 to 2 decimal places by completing the square. Okay, so let's just copy that out first of all. So I'm just going to factorise the left hand side into a single bracket. So I'm going to take out the 3. And divide all our numbers by 3. Okay, so I've put that into a single bracket. I'm then going to complete the square inside the bracket. So half the number before x, half of minus 8 is minus 4. So we then square minus 4, which is plus 16. And subtract it off the end. Copy down the minus 4 So we can simplify that end bit. So minus 16 take away 4 is minus 20. And then let's remove the bracket that we did at the start. So we put the 3 before the x minus 4 squared, and 3 times negative 20 is minus 60. So we've got our quadratic in completed square form. So we can now do our inverses. So we get rid of the minus 60 first. So that would be 3 bracket x minus 4 squared equals 60. Then divide by this number 3. So that will give us x minus 4 squared equals 20. Then get rid of the square by square rooting. Make sure you put a plus or minus before it. And then we just need to add 4 to both sides. So we get 4 plus or minus root 20. And again, just type this in on your calculator because we need the answers to 2 decimal places. So our first solution will be 4 minus root 20. So x equals minus 0.47. And our second solution will be 4 plus root 20, which is 8.47. Okay, so that is the method to solve a harder quadratic by completing the square first of all. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.